All right, let's keep practicing a little bit more division right here. In the division in this case, we've got a couple of interesting looking ones. We've got 6x squared minus 3xy in the numerator over 10 a times b to the fourth in the denominator. But we're going to have to invert and multiply this second fraction, so we're going to get 15a squared b squared, this time divided by 16 x squared y squared minus 8x y cubed. Interesting, interesting. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen here. In our numerators, we're going to factor. Looks like 3x is a common factor, which is going to leave us with 2x. 3x times 2x is 6x squared minus y in the numerator. There's no factorization that we can do in the denominator, but we can see that there probably are some common factors between our terms 10a b fourth and 15a squared b squared. We'll deal with those in a second. But how about the denominator of the second fraction? Let's see. Looks like 8 is a common factor as far as the numbers go. They both contain an x, and they both contain y squared. So factoring out 8x y squared gives me 2x for the first term, minus, looks like y for the second. All right, so now let's look for those common factors here. Well, of course, 2x minus y, that's going to go. Let's see, anything else we can do? Well, we can certainly take care of that x, right? That x and this x, those are common factors. All right, let's see, 10 and 15 share a common factor of 5. So let's take care of that one. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 2 is 3. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Let's see, a squared and a, those share a common factor, right? So a goes into a squared, leaving us with a to the first. B squared and b to the fourth, those leave us with b squared, and this goes to a square. So all right, what have we got now that we've reduced? Let's see, let's rewrite. We've got 3 left in the numerator here. We've got 2b squared left in this denominator. On the right, we've got 3 times a left in the numerator. The denominator looks like we've got 8y squared. So now we can do a little bit of multiplication right here. Looks like we've got 3 times 3a, which is 9a. And then the denominator, 2b squared times 8y squared, looks like 16b squared y squared. This would be our simplified fraction, so we're done with this one. All right, let's try another one. Same idea as before, right? We have to invert, then we're going to have to factor. Oof, looks like a little bit of work right here. I'm going to get a pause for a minute and let you guys try and work this out yourselves, and then I'll launch right in and do what I did. Okay, so when I did it, what did I do? I took 6x squared minus 7x plus 2 divided by 3x squared plus x minus 2 times 5x squared plus x minus 4 divided by 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. And then I factor. So my factorization looks like this. When I look at my two factors in the numerator up here, 6x squared minus 7x plus 2 comes out to be 3x minus 2 times 2x minus 1 divided by, and it looks like 3x minus 2 here, but this time times x plus 1 In my second fraction, I got a numerator that had in it 5x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 1. And in my denominator, I got 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 3. The factoring seems to be the hardest part as far as most people are concerned, because once you get to this point, we can see right away 3x minus 2 is a common factor that will cancel, as is 2x minus 1, as is x plus 1, leaving us with our reduced fraction, and in this case that's 1 over 1 times 5x minus 4 divided by 2x minus 3. And since there's no other canceling or reducing that can go on, that's our answer, 5x minus 4 divided by 2x minus 3. Okay, that's it for multiplication, division. Addition, subtraction are up next.